In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make events private in Google Calendar in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you want to keep certain meetings, appointments, or personal plans hidden from other people who can view your calendar. So whether you're using Google Calendar for work, school, or personal scheduling, this quick tutorial will help you protect your privacy in the easiest way possible. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or on your device and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once you're inside your calendar, find the event that you want to make private. You can click directly on the event from the calendar view to open its details. After the event opens, look for the edit option, usually shown as a pencil icon. Click that to open the full event editor. This is where you can change all the details for that event, including the title, time, guests, notifications, and visibility settings. Now, scroll through the event settings until you find the default visibility or visibility option. Depending on the version of Google Calendar you're using, the label may vary slightly, but the setting you want is the one that controls who can see the event. Click the visibility drop-down menu and select private. When you choose private, the event will be hidden from people who have access to your calendar and will only show limited information, depending on your sharing settings. This is the key step that makes your event private, so make sure you select it before saving. Once that's done, click Save to apply the changes. If Google Calendar asks whether you want to notify guests, choose the option that fits your situation. If the event has guests, you may want to send an update so they know the event details have changed. If you don't need to notify anyone, you can skip sending the notification when prompted. And that's it. Your Google Calendar event is now set to private. This is a simple but powerful way to keep personal or sensitive events more secure and better organized. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides.